Hey guys, it's Rena from Simply Actions. This is step 2 of my workflow, which is batch editing in Photoshop. Just a reminder, we just finished culling our session and editing our images in ACR. And now we've processed them through Photoshop and they've ended up as a folder on my desktop called JPEG. So I'm going to open up that folder and I'm going to select an image from each part of the session. This is because I want to make sure that whatever edit I do decide that I'm going to batch edit this entire session with, I want to make sure that it works with all of my images in all of my different settings. So to start, you need to click on this folder image, and it's actually a set. So you're creating a set first, and I'm going to call this one Batch Edit. And then I'm going to click on that little paper with a corner turned. That's actually the new action button. So you click on that, and I'm going to name that one Workflow. So basically, it's recording every step that I take right now. So I want to make sure that whatever steps I take, they're what I want to have happen in my action across the board. So I'm going to start my edit with Love, which is a free action that I've created. You'll be able to find that on the website today. It also comes with a free preset called Love as well. And then I'm going to use Sweet Slumber from Simply Dream. And I'm just going to fiddle with the opacities until I'm happy with them. Now I'm going to duplicate my layer so that I can actually use portraiture with this. So I'm going to go ahead and play my portraiture and lower my opacity to where I'm happy. And then I'm going to go ahead and just flatten that action. Once you're done, you just click on the square beside the red dot, just to make it so that you stop the recording. And then I'm going to go and just check and see, just play that action just by clicking on the action where it says workflow and pressing the play button, and I'll be able to see how it plays on each of my pictures and if I'm happy with it. And so far I am. Alright, so I'm going to close each and every one of these images because I don't want to save them. I'm going to batch edit them all over again with the rest of them. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to open up Photoshop, go into File, Automate, Batch. And there I'm going to make sure that my set is batch edit, my action is workflow. And then I'm going to need to make sure that I've selected just the JPEG folder. And then for the destination, I can do multiple things. I can do none, which means that play the action, but it'll keep the images open. You can choose save and close, which means that it will overwrite all of the images that you currently have in that folder. Not very good if you want to be able to go back and change things from the ACR edit. So this is why I choose the folder option. And then I can choose to have it go to the same JPEG folder. And I can select over here where I have it end, where I can have it so that it's the document name that it already has. So whatever it comes out as, like the DSC underscore and then 4 digits. That's what I get with my Nikon. And then just add edited to it and then .jpeg. Or what I like to do is go ahead and using the drop down menu, I select 2-digit serial number and then I put in .jpeg. And then I just make sure that I start my serial number at 01 and I click OK, and then I can just walk away. And it's just going to go ahead and batch edit each and every one of my images. And as you can see here, it's already batch edited too, and they're right at the bottom. And now you can go and step away again from the computer. Your computer is going to work for you again. So this was how you batch edit in Photoshop. Stay tuned for Monday, where I'm going to go over the entire retouching that I did for the session. As you can see, it's already 9. It's probably going to be finished about 9:30, let's say, the batch editing, and that means that it's been an hour and a half and I've batch edited my entire image. Like, everything can be done at this point. But because it is a newborn session and because I had the broken backdrop, I have a lot of retouching that I need to do. I have some face swaps that I need to do. So I'm going to be doing all of that in Monday's video when I'm going to cover the retouching section of my workflow. All right, so I'll see you Monday. Thanks, guys. Bye.